Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iOS 16.4.1 battery draining fast issue. So guys, let's get started this video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, restart your iPhone. A simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary software glitches that may be causing excessive battery drain. So for the restart iPhone, tap and hold on the power button and the volume up at the same time. So drag the slider to the right to power off your iPhone. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen and then after this the next solution is disable background app refresh. Some apps refresh their content in the background, which can contribute to battery drain. To disable this feature, go to settings, scroll down, tap on general, scroll down, tap on background app refresh, tap here and tap to turn this off. After turning this off, go back, and then after this the next solution is reduce screen brightness and enable auto brightness. Keeping your screen brightness at a lower level or enabling auto brightness can help conserve battery life. So for this, go to settings, scroll down, tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size, scroll down, tap to enable auto brightness feature. And then after this, the next solution is disable unnecessary notifications or unnecessary features. So go to settings, tap on privacy and security, tap on location services, tap to turn off location services if you are not using. So go back, and then after this the next solution is update your iOS software and update all apps. So for this, go to settings first of all, tap on general, tap on software update. So guys, if you have available any update on your iPhone, so update your iPhone to the next version, and then after this update all apps. So for this, go to App Store, tap on the profile icon in the right corner, scroll down and update all apps here. So after updating all apps, so guys, here are the some simple solutions to fix your some battery draining issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.